The brewery here in town makes bioenergy from wastewater already in their anaerobic digesters that are located here at the brewery in St. Louis. But this could be an alternative way of producing energy rather than making methane gas. That's what they're doing currently. You can also make electricity with these microbial fuel cells here. And they're interested in seeing if this could work for them. So they're providing us with wastewater from their brewery, which we pump into our fuel cell and we are converting that to electricity while treating it. A microbial fuel cell is a device in which bacteria in the anode compartment oxidize organic material from wastewater and uses the electrode as an electron acceptor and basically drops electron to the anode. So the electron acceptor is a solid material, is an electrode. And by placing a membrane and a cathode next to the anode, adjacent to the anode, you can have electrons move from the anode to the cathode, thereby creating a current. And if you put a resistor between the anode and the cathode, you can make electricity, you can make power. And this is fueled by wastewater. So organic material from wastewater is fueling this process. This is a tube that has cathodes on the inside, so they're interior cathodes. And what you see in the outside is an opaque material, that's a pipe, and in there is a liquid where the wastewater basically is converted from very dirty to somewhat clean. And we have electrodes in there, and on the electrodes you can kind of see here a little bit gray color is a mixed culture of bacteria, and they convert this wastewater, and then certain bacteria that we select for can use the electrode as an electron acceptor. So these are the ones that oxidize the substrate and then move these electrons to the electrode. The National Science Foundation with their career grants have two goals. One is education, the other one is research. So the research that we're doing, this is funded by the National Science Foundation, and we're interested in scaling up this technique for real wastewater treatment plants. But in the same time really understanding how the process works. It's science, so we are interested in the community, who is there, living there, how can we make the process work better by understanding. But it's integrated with education. So what we're doing on the educational part is have students come in, work with microbial fuel cells, have them actually put a microbial fuel cell together and get excited about that bacteria can actually make electricity.